Now, when we think about healthy eating, our minds often gravitate towards the sweet, the savory, the delightful. But there's an often overlooked category that can bring a unique twist to your palate while packing a punch in the health department. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of bitter foods. Yes, bitter, those flavors that make your taste buds dance in ways you might not expect. This topic might surprise your taste buds, but is guaranteed to elevate your health game. So buckle up and get ready for a journey into the world of bitter foods. To truly appreciate bitter foods, let's start with the basics. Bitterness is one of the 5 primary tastes, and it's often associated with alkaloids, compounds that can have medicinal properties. This unique taste profile can range from mildly astringent to robustly bitter, creating a spectrum of flavors that can awaken your palate. Now you might be wondering, why bother with bitterness? Well, bitter foods can be a game changer for your health. They stimulate digestion, support liver function, and even have potential anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. It's not just about taste, it's about giving your body a wellness boost. Number 1, dark chocolate. Let's kick things off with a crowd pleaser, dark chocolate. Beyond its indulgent taste, dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids. Research suggests that moderate consumption may contribute to heart health by improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Research has found that people who consume chocolate at least 5 times per week have a 56% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who don't eat chocolate at all. This is likely due to the polyphenols and antioxidants found in cocoa, which can widen blood vessels and reduce inflammation, protecting your heart. Cocoa is also a good source of several trace minerals, including copper, manganese, magnesium, and iron. Unsweetened cocoa, cacao nibs, and extra dark chocolate contain the highest number of antioxidants and least amount of sugar. So embrace the bittersweet side as an occasional treat, or melt it into a velvety hot cocoa. Next up, the leafy green powerhouse, kale. Packed with vitamins A, K, and C, kale is a nutrient-dense addition to your meals. Its bitterness indicates the presence of health-promoting compounds. Many powerful antioxidants are found in kale, including quercetin and kaempferol, which have numerous beneficial effects on health. Kale is also very high in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that is converted to vitamin A. Sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a tasty side, or blend it into a refreshing green smoothie for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Moving on to broccoli rabe, a bitter green with potential anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that compounds in broccoli rabe may help inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. It is a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, and glucosinolates, as well as iron, folate, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. There is also a decent amount of dietary fiber, and even trace amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. Most impressive is the low level of calories. Only 9 calories in 1 cup of this nutritious vegetable. Sauté it with a dash of lemon and red pepper flakes for a zesty kick, or toss it into your favorite pasta for a nutritious twist. Next, don't overlook the humble dandelion greens. Not just pesky weeds, these greens support liver function and aid digestion. Research indicates that dandelion greens may have diuretic properties, promoting detoxification. They also contain the carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin, protecting your eyes from cataracts and macular degeneration. Dandelion greens are a great source of the prebiotics inulin and oligofructose, which promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Try them in a vibrant salad or sautéed with garlic and onions for a flavorful side dish. Shifting to fruits, let's talk about grapefruit. Beyond its tangy sweetness, grapefruit is known for aiding weight management and being a vitamin C powerhouse. It is low in calories, high in fiber with low levels of sugar. Grapefruit's potassium content helps maintain normal cholesterol and blood pressure levels. However, be mindful of potential interactions with certain medications and always consult your doctor. Enjoy it as a refreshing snack on the grill or add it to salads for a burst of citrusy flavor. Now let's move on to caffeinate with coffee. Apart from being a morning pick-me-up, coffee is loaded with antioxidants. One of the most abundant polyphenols in coffee is chlorogenic acid, a strong antioxidant likely responsible for many of coffee's health benefits, including reduced oxidative damage and a lower risk of heart disease and diabetes. Research suggests that moderate coffee consumption may have various health benefits, from improving cognitive function to reducing the risk of certain diseases. Studies show that drinking 3 to 4 cups of coffee per day can reduce your risks of death, cancer, and heart disease by 17%, 15%, and 18% respectively compared to drinking no coffee at all. Opt for black coffee to savor its bitterness without added sugars or creams. Venturing into the spice realm, we have turmeric. Known for its vibrant color and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric contains curcumin, a potent compound with potential health benefits. Curcumin also has antioxidants and may protect your body from free radicals by neutralizing them. Incorporate it into curries, soups, or golden milk for a warm, comforting beverage with a hint of bitterness. Time to explore bitter melon, a vegetable celebrated for its potential blood sugar regulating properties. Like most bitter foods, bitter melon is rich in antioxidants which help prevent cell damage caused by free radicals and may reduce your risk of heart disease and diabetes. Research suggests that compounds in bitter melon may help manage blood glucose levels. Bitter melon is packed with phytochemicals like tritopenoids, polyphenols, and flavonoids that have been shown to slow the growth of various types of cancers in both test tube and animal studies. Try it in stir-fries, curries, or stuffed with flavorful ingredients to balance its bitterness. Let's keep it green with arugula. Low in calories and bursting with vitamins and minerals, part of the cruciferous family, arugula adds a peppery bitterness to your salads. In addition to their potential cancer-fighting effects, glucosinolates in cruciferous vegetables help your liver enzymes to process toxins more effectively, reducing their negative impacts on your body. Toss it with a lemon vinaigrette and pair it with grilled chicken for a light and nutritious meal. Try to consume cruciferous vegetables at least 5 times a week. Steeping into the world of beverages, green tea takes the spotlight. Rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, green tea is linked to various health benefits. Research suggests it may aid in weight management and contribute to heart health. In fact, drinking just 1 cup of green tea daily is associated with a nearly 20% lower risk of heart attack. Brew it gently and enjoy it as a calming, bittersweet ritual. Lastly, let's zest things up with citrus peel. Often discarded, citrus peel contains flavonoids with potential anti-inflammatory effects. Citrus peels contain a higher concentration of flavonoids than any other part of the fruit. 2 of the most abundant citrus flavonoids are hesperidin and naringin, both of which are powerful antioxidants. Grate citrus zest into salads, marinades, or desserts to elevate the flavor profile while reaping the health benefits. So there you have it, a journey through the diverse world of bitter foods. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Experiment with these flavors, find your favorites, and let bitterness become a delightful part of your culinary adventure. Now that we've uncovered the secrets of bitter foods, let's take a moment to recap the key flavors and benefits we've explored today. From the antioxidant-rich indulgence of dark chocolate to the nutrient-packed goodness of kale, and the potential cancer-fighting properties of broccoli rabe, each bitter bite brings a unique contribution to your health journey. Whether you're sipping on green tea or savoring the peppery notes of arugula, the world of bitterness is vast, diverse, and surprisingly delightful. As we wrap up this flavorful journey, we want to hear from you. What bitter foods have you tried, and do you have any favorite recipes that incorporate these health-boosting ingredients? Share your culinary adventures in the comments below. Let's turn this space into a hub of inspiration where we can learn from each other and celebrate the diverse ways we embrace wellness through our choices. Your engagement and enthusiasm fuel our community, and we're excited to see the vibrant exchange of ideas. If you enjoyed this exploration of bitter foods, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more wellness adventures. Remember that your journey to a healthier lifestyle is uniquely yours. Embrace the bitter, savor the sweet, and let every choice be a step towards a happier, healthier you. Always consult your health professional, and thanks for joining us on this flavorful expedition. And until next time, take care and stay well.